So I actually called this Target a few days ago wondering if their back to school section was open because I didn't want to go to this Target and it literally be closed. It's such a waste of time because I can't drive, so my mom drove me here. Hey, the back to school section is kind of depressing this year. Literally no big back to school sign. Functionality, not aesthetics. So I'm gonna start my shopping in the binders section. I know some schools people don't use binders and they just use folders and notebooks. In my school, we usually require at least one binder, which is so annoying. Like, I do not like binders. I think they're such a waste of space, but I'm gonna get one. This one's a pretty cute one, to be honest. It's the cutest binder I've ever seen, but it's also like not super great quality. It's like paper, so it's gonna break. I'm trying to find something that's functional but also cute. Ooh, it's really cute actually, but it's like the same like paper material, you know. This is gonna like break. I've decided I'm gonna pick aesthetics over functionality. If this breaks, then it breaks. So I think the average American high schooler has like 8 classes or something like that, so I'm gonna get 8 folders. If you're going back to school shopping, don't get these like paper folders. I'm literally saying this as I got a paper binder, but it's like binders, it's like okay. This is the material that I usually like to get. It's very hard and like hard to break, so I'm gonna get rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow. Where's the green? Okay, we're gonna skip green. Blue, purple, black, gray, and white. Guys, I'm literally done. That took like 10 minutes. I was literally just throwing stuff in my cart that whole time. I'm going to be giving this all away to you guys because I don't need school supplies, if I'm completely honest. I could just reuse all my supplies from last year and I want to bless one of you guys. I'll get into the giveaway rules at this timestamp. Bro, why did I feel like Alicia Marie? So now that we're back from Target, it's time for a back to school haul. Before I show you guys everything I got from Target, I first want to talk about what backpack I'm using for back to school this year. That is my black Vera backpack. The inside of this cute like white and black pattern. I was just really looking for a more mature backpack. Last year I used a North Face backpack. It's a great backpack, but it just screams like athletic vibes. I wanted a backpack that was going to be more versatile. So this is like the perfect one, y'all. I don't know how much stuff it's going to be able to fit, but we'll figure out once the school year starts. Also from Amazon, I got these ZR highlighters. Super cute. And I also got this book called The Psychology of Money. I have been super into reading. I think a big part of preparing for back to school is getting together a reading list, buying your favorite books, and committing to actually reading them. Once I started being passionate about learning outside of school, learning in school became just so much easier. And a classic composition notebook. It has a little froggy and mushroom on it. Y'all, I just had to get it. So I got a Texas Instruments graphing calculator. This year for sophomore year, we need one. I don't think I'm going to be giving this away to you guys because I genuinely need this graphing calculator. For school this year, I also used TI calculators, and they have always just been my favorite calculator company. Super cute, just super easy to use. And thank you TI Calculators for sponsoring this video. So TI Calculators is running a customize your calculator challenge. Basically, you can draw on your TI Calculators case. You can even put in a 3D design on it to just show your creativity. You don't paint on the calculator itself, but you paint on the calculator case. So to enter the challenge, design your case, you take a picture of it, and you post it on your Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag TICalcContest. The contest is running through now until September 15th, and to view the rules, just go to the link in my description. Here is my TI Calculators case. I got the cute like purple calculator. I love it. I've really been into purple lately. I had this design in mind. My friend Megan actually helped me paint on it. My artistic abilities are pretty limited, guys. This looks so freaking cute. I feel like it really adds a lot to a calculator to paint your case. I don't love math the most, so having cute math supplies to do my work definitely helps motivate me. But this is some inspo for what you guys can do to enter the contest. So when you enter, you can win weekly prizes like a free graphing calculator, a math swag package that's like t-shirts, fanny packs. But the coolest part, the grand prize, is a math is lit light up sign. Wait guys, I literally need to show you guys mine. It's the cutest sign. Guys, I just had the best genius idea in the world. To make my math teacher like me on the first day of school, I'm gonna bring her the math is lit sign to her room. This is a light up neon sign. It says math is lit in cursive. It's just got this adorable calculator. Like, I love the vision for this. This is such a teacher's pet move, but I think she'll like me. But let's move on to the stuff I got from Target. Everything you guys see here, other than this black Vera backpack, I'm going to be giving away for you guys. I don't need any new school supplies this year, honestly, and I'm so grateful to just be able to like throw school supplies in my cart and not worry about the price. But I know that's not the case for everyone, so I want to give to y'all. I got this adorable binder, but it's just this floral pattern, super cute. Got these 2 2 like notebooks for classes, and then I got all these like Mead folders. I don't know how many classes you guys usually have. I usually have like 8, so it's just nice to have one folder for each class in different colors. Then I got binder dividers that you can put labels on. So I saw these really cute pens. I really do like Pilot G2 pens. I saw these ones, they were like white and they had this like detailing on it, like what the heck. So I personally like them, but I just got them for the way they look, honestly. I also got you guys some pencils. So do you like writing in mechanical pencils better or the normal Ticonderoga pencils? I have no clue. I think I prefer mechanical pencils, but honestly I just hate pencils in general. But I got both of these for you guys. Also got some Elmer's glue and colored pencils. You'd be surprised, biology classes always require you to have colored pencils. The last thing I got were some more highlighters. These are the UB mini highlighters. So that is my back to school supplies haul. Here are the giveaway rules. I did not think about these giveaway rules before talking, so all the giveaway rules I'm giving you guys right now are on the top of my head. 1, you must be subscribed to this YouTube channel, Annie Long. Number 2, you must follow my Instagram at AnnieLongYT and be active on there because I'm going to be picking the giveaway winner based off of who will be commenting on my posts from now on to when the giveaway ends. And number 3, comment your Instagram handle and why you would like to win this giveaway. And the giveaway is going to end on August 18th, 2021 at 12 a.m. EST. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you will love my preparing for back to school video. I just talk about how to prepare mentally, physically, everything. I'll see you guys there on that one.